pretending to be a woman.
Bitch! I am sick of your shit!
Forgive her for the mistakes that she's made.
I am more of a woman, a wife, and a mother.
Most importantly, forgive me. I am so sorry.
Than you ever have or ever will be.
Hi God, it's me Kush. I know it's been a while since we talked, but I really need your help right now. My brother thinks he and I were put on this earth to be heroes, but I'm not a hero. I'm not a savior. Not anything. I'm just a fucking stoner who watches too much Batman.
Good afternoon, my fellow graduates, faculty, friends, and family. It is a great honor to be standing in front of you all today. My journey this far has been a tough one, but this moment right now makes it all worth it. A day I never thought would come.
It's just one of those things, man, when things happen in the city, if you love this city and you love what the city gives to you, you have a responsibility to give back if you're able to.
My show is about people, and it's about connecting people, strengthening our community. And I want you to come along with me and my friends and people who love the show and just connect.
I want people to come to my office that haven't had a good experience before and looking for someone that they can place their trust in, and someone who's flexible, someone who will work with you, someone who is generally concerned about your pain, your financial issues, your life, and hopefully